Hi, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So today we are in Callaway, still part of Panama City, just another name. And this cute, wonderfully built by Camden Homes house is just adorable, and it's ready for you. It's great for sizing down or a first-time home buyer or small family. This great open living space down here when you enter just lets the Florida light flood in. You've got your living space, which is so large, right next to your dining and your island. Your kitchen, everybody can just commune right there on the bottom floor. You go upstairs, you start seeing the bedrooms. Your master's on the front, so it's got a great view and having some light come in. And then you've got your other two bedrooms with another bathroom on top. Don't forget, this one also has a half bath on bottom. So it's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, perfect for your guests. They don't have to go into your private quarters and your private bathroom to be able to use the facilities. This neighborhood boasts a cute, right around from this house, it's got a cute little sitting area. You can take your pet, you can just go enjoy the swings, just sit there and relax, enjoying this wonderful Florida weather. Or in the neighborhood, you also have a playground and basketball courts for that little one or the grands to come visit, whatever fits your needs. If you'd like more information and we'd like your realtor to give you a preview of this house, look in the description below, check out the MLS listing and see what more details you can find there with the photos and description. And don't forget, ring that bell. Subscribe to thebeachshow.com so you don't miss any further videos. Bye for now.